What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wicked Garage. We are continuing the F250 custom truck build, and as you can see, it's in front of me. A lot more done than last time. So before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share. Hope you're enjoying the series. Well, let's get back into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the side skirts on. The floor is all tacked in place. We got the D-rings, they're tacked underneath. And then we just have to weld around the edge. You can see we got the hinges on, they are also tacked in place. This is sort of our setup. So this will come down. He wants extendable sides, so it sort of gives him a little bit of an extension on the bed. Gives it roughly 7 3/16 on each side. And over here you can see we have the plate. So he's going to be putting either 2 quads or however he wants to put on here, whatever he wants to put on here. He has this ability to come down, and this will be an option on some of our beds. But you can see when we lift it up, it has a little bent lip here, and we have a tailgate that we have to do. We have to actually take these back off in order to put the tail plate on, and then or the tail skirt, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll put these back on after that's welded on. Tailgate will come up, and then it will pin here, and then this will pin to the toolbox that will be in the front. You can see there is a gap in the front, which is where the toolbox is going to be to house the ramps on this side, on the passenger side, and then it'll have a little utility box on the other side to put the straps and everything in, or whatever he wants to put in there. But other than that, that's pretty much where we're at right now. All right guys, so you can see we got these skirts on, as well as the swivel D-rings and the floor. We welded the floor up last night, sort of tag teamed it, got everything all in place where it needs to be, and he started welding the other side. We sort of ran out of the anti-spatter spray, and we spray that there because of the beads and balls on there. It's a lot harder to get them off on a diamond plate, so this just makes it so much easier. You know, everything sort of comes off, we don't have to worry about it. But you can see he's been welding, stitch welding about I would say 4 to 6 inches of weld. He's using a thinner wire, so we're gonna jump up to the 035. He wanted to try the 025, and it works. It's just, it takes a lot longer, and you have to go a lot slower, you know, to burn it in good. And it looks good. It's taking too much time. I'm sort of running laps around him when we were doing underneath and everything, and you know, he was like halfway done with what he needed to do. So it's just how the different speeds and thicknesses of wires affect, you know, run speeds and everything.